Funya kaka ye nu ho pa bo sha obe share ye ibesi nei ye hu hwe
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so akere wa the comment section ho na be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so TikTok o comment section ho ba bia be hu bia from Mr President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey need to Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Addo retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
funya kaka ye nu ho pa bo sha obe share ye ibesi nei ye hu hwe ne o MPP m a ne di dwumadi ma MPP a MPP fo num ye oni ye kasa no ye de ose eye oyo ebedi na chi because no a share ye bo say si ebedi MP achi a onabo shaibu no ni gimachi a se oba power ye hawa ewo ekrum hanya omo behwe se oha no omo beso ano amaye nti ade ani eden ane akukuduro edi ye campaign anajo nsuo to awia bo ne enem ye campaign na kusi se onabo winning o winning nso ne ye de 500 votes ane ye de keka ne vote ano wo Assin akropon no ho ne ye to aban ne wie no Mr Frank Asante a odi anim ne ye sa ade no ye ntene nka ye problem said that the whole still that's so daho your hospital at daho okay yanko here secondary school so almost mo be boy na secondary school ni ensaka mpeni for this year me mo ka say aka nwurem secondary school no aka nwurem street ball ba ebobo ho nyina no street ball ni bubugu form ye nya kamafo wo ba ye marketer o mo ka kire say ye ba nyame yadom mo be ma your tramodern market e bitinye di dwom a anije beye dey ebeba nyame adom ya tese president Mahaman so the market dey enani so adi hu a odi hu dwuma pa nti ne ya ye ka say ya rakase akropon electoral area ye nya mpuntuo bia cement one bag na say anwa one trip mpo ye hu bi ne ani o ma dada no say ya na say no mo so mo meye bi maye no ama ye to a na ebu afuye mu papa ye mantem kwan uguta bobo ya akra untimi fa nkwa ha ne ha
it won't hold my blow mind. What can I be what yes here? It is last time they cast
one trip mpo ye hu bi ne ani o ma dada no say ya na say no mo so mo meye bi maye no ama ye to a na ebu afuye mu papa ye mantem say mahuma wie ye se bi omo ekofie house to house ko for omo beto abakra no ukọ no hokra na ne kakasa na ne bu afu kire pa say wada adan no ohun sakai bia wo ekuro yi mu se na oka kire ye no se time na so se ye nso ye pese ye nya de omo so ya ye omo de na mo mawie omo so fia femu de se mo de bre ye no omo family ye sisi ame na oka say ye ko 2 years bibia anye say 2 years no first half na kakra ne agbawie de kakra ne agbo first half na wie ne ye hu say ade we na ye de be start mo kwan no ade we ne ye de ma mo say na 2 years na ka na mo timi dia finish na nei oka so san be ma ye another 2 years bi me fa ntwen na ye de anyini ni ye hu say na adan na order adan ye yesusu se ye nkra tuoi kodu omanim no ma ye ho hwe a rakase ekropon electoral area ya plan say ye the demonstration kesi
ave de akofo no osu say MPP obi amfane nya hwe ye mu no ya mu be kunkrofo a mo bo awo na so I don't care about them me busuafo me me nkrofo me me kromfo yo. So this guy is at NLA. Inti obe feed the platform no sa ebedu 2028 no near baba be frɛ wo say wow ekwam de ono brana ane de ono wadi di ame no emfa nkosi ani. And I make 400,000 I don't need me see me nibi but I don't need it. And it's fine that Felix Kwachofo Sukai, yes, I reset na Enkabibia. So at least MPP timer, it won't happen. No, MPP they won't do this stupid stuff. Yes, almost and this phone be so papa. Maybe I know be ni mobi any idea. Me pen kwasi asem tinu men see MPP ni bia yande I me personal vow for 8 years me pen kwasi asem tinu men see MPP ni bia office da me pen kwasi asem in my life. Na say me share me nua Samia oku. Commander say one ma and I'm papa pen mu ti say me sorry.
Wo be man crop foforo. Wo fa ma assembly. Wo fa ma sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for this sika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nye hwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Sako hwe no sako shi ta. You show ton na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Who kwa hu ba eja hihie. Hey Mr. Pad. Unya ba perfect intro. Esa wo pad. Saka why there? Who is a pad na na be ye bibia mo. Into
about 15 minutes, you can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid, make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something, so it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Amasaman. Abani say Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever catastrophe or who got someone or who comes again. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushos in Abu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada baby.
That flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him. Amasaman. Abani say Otobama Bunina na Aqua. Whoever catastrophe or who got someone or who comes again. This is a density. Uka Kobape, Ushos in Abu, and the one who Omoya Maya and Yada baby. This is Omaya baby. Said this thing by ya be one that ya be Rochina.
Imagine no for 4 hours in here. Me free fear and pass 6:30. A quack I think 9 or 10. And then a quaba copa Addo for Namso every day. Over quiet away so I was so do Amasaman. I was over 30 minutes. Uber do Amasaman 2 hours 30 minutes. Adena yana enokratiza e kwandika kamuntu asomfama e na Addo for yesu yanko adwuma ni yetiminya sika mewe ya ide ni amma na taxes a homo die no musumu sanyi de mu bagina mu de mu nua mu de scan de mu di yenim munya kwa ne maye say insurance Addo for ye insurance ya license eh me ka ho road account sika bia wo mu jibi Addo for still e kwanye enti ani homo so ye be mo maya we baby e be ko bia wasi age 5 cedi ya be 20 cedis eno so dan tia police ni sa gira kwa so no ati driver no agiwo o tia no paper obi bia ya adwuma o tu mu to bet ma ka kire wo se e bia ma scam de to e bia battery na government no e bia battery no na say light no mu use no government timi ma ho ma na enti bibia Addo for ye nyamfa so dia ani e kwa we no ye demonstrate abai no ani wo man wo mo me ye kwa na ma wo mo tu ato ma ye
abusian ne obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one chan tronya propaganda on cansem hunu won di atem no omo mbre sen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no ni nyansa bi na o ka no kora no nti wo mutie no omo na omo mbre Ghana for na o mutie Captain Smart no Omo no omo bread. Now you see, about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually womonkwa. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasiasema Captain Smart Kotna TV so ekan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya ansem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Jene da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look at say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abeya. It is a kind of they was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitating me on fund free seniors who so may comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokikam Kaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to Nankono. I saw for no common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a home. Chief Imam for them common to them queen in a home. Politicians need common to them queen in a home. Market women on common to them queen in a home. Ubian Kanum to them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open quantity. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a getting invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most people getting. Is there anyone there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are me catch you by the many members all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, mamma kinky, and mamma added a mokum. You will come here. And you are John the money, Mamma could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Says a dear Koya cried him and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Buta region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, letter now was say Council of State member no, ye former staff a man am one, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da, and Onya Juma or da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes. Now, why you post?
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.